In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change ownership in Smartsheet. If you are working on a workspace, a folder, or a specific sheet, there may come a time when you need to transfer ownership to someone else. This can be important when responsibilities change, when a project moves to a new point of contact, or when you want a different person to manage the item going forward. To begin, log in to Smartsheet. After you are signed in, take a moment to find the workspace, folder, or sheet that you want to transfer. You can use the navigation on the left side or look through your Smartsheet dashboard to locate the item. Make sure you have opened the correct place before you continue, because the ownership change will apply to the specific item you choose. Once you have the right workspace, folder, or sheet visible, you are ready for the next action. Right-click the item, or if you prefer using the on-screen controls, click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu is where Smartsheet groups item-level options, including sharing and ownership-related settings. For this step, the key thing is to make sure you are opening the menu for the exact item you want to transfer. From that menu, select Share. When you choose Share, Smartsheet will display a list of people who currently have access to the item. This is the place where you can see collaborators and manage how they are connected to the workspace, folder, or sheet. Give it a second to load, especially if the item has many collaborators. Now, locate the new owner in the list of collaborators. The new owner should be one of the people already listed as having access. If you do not see the person in the list, that typically means they may not be added as a collaborator yet. But for the purpose of these steps, focus on finding the correct name in the current list. Take your time here so you select the right collaborator and avoid changing ownership to someone else by mistake. After you find their name, click the drop-down menu next to their name. This drop-down controls the role and level of control that person has for the item. Then select Make Owner from the options you see. This selection is what tells Smartsheet you want that collaborator to become the new owner, meaning they will have ownership privileges for the workspace, folder, or sheet. Next, confirm the ownership transfer when prompted. Smartsheet will usually show a confirmation message to ensure you intended the change. Look for the prompt and read it carefully. Then choose the option that confirms the transfer. This final confirmation step is important because ownership changes are typically not meant to happen by accident, and the prompt helps prevent that. After the transfer is confirmed, you should see that the new owner status has been applied. At this point, you can continue with your work, confident that the responsibility has moved to the correct person. If you still need to adjust access levels for other collaborators, that can usually be managed within the same share area, but the ownership transfer itself is completed once the confirmation is done. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.